Hello everyone, my name is Angelica and welcome to my channel. I'm a big fan of thrifting. Looking for and buying gems from charity shops always make me excited. Sometimes you can't find what you are looking for, but I believe every item has potential. And for that reason, today I will show you 3 flips with the items I've bought in charity shop. The range of possibilities, what you can do with these items, is wide, but I will show you what I came up with. Not everyone might like this project for obvious reason. However, I think these books would end up on the landfill anyway. I can buy one book for 10p in my charity shop. They definitely want to get rid of them. So I'm looking for hardcover books. I have 3 colors, black, green and red. Sometimes the hardcover books have the sleeve around them, so it's tricky to see that they are actually hardcover. I will use 5 books. They don't have to be the same height. With the Stanley knife, I have to cut off most part of the cover. I leave the spine and about 2 centimeters of the side. Because this book is the first one, I also leave untouched one of the sides. With the next book in the row, I cut both of their sides. Once I've done it with all the books, I can start gluing them together in the order I said before. To do it, I'm using hot glue. I glue the thin sides together. Once they all attach, they look just like books standing next to each other on the bookshelf. I didn't have any better box, but this one will do for now. I would recommend to find a box you want to hide first and then adjust the amount and size of the books you need. Put the items you want to hide or the ones which you don't want to show. It will also look better on higher bookshelves between other ones. For my next project, I've decided to change the look of this basic lamp. It cost me only £1 and I actually have a pair. So don't forget to subscribe if you want to see what I will do with the other one in the future. I removed the label and the lampshade. I want to give this lamp more organic, nature-inspired look. Using kitchen foil, I will create the new shape. You can also use paper, but I would say kitchen foil is more durable. I leave the base as it is and wrap the foil only around the stick. I want to create 3 bold shapes, and to do it I'm adding more and more foil at these sections. To secure it to the base, I tape it with masking tape. I also add few pieces here and there so the foil won't unwrap. To create the paper mache, which will go around the shape I've created, I will use toilet paper. You can easily use the paper from the books from the previous project. I didn't have too much time to make it, that's why I went with the quickest option. I take the whole roll of the cardboard roll and tear it to shorter pieces. I pour boiling water over it, making sure everything is under the water. I left it for about 10 minutes and then blend it to smaller pieces. I squeeze out the excess water. For 1 toilet paper roll, I'm adding half cup of the PVA glue and 1.5 cup of flour. I combined it all well to get consistent paste. I go back to my lamp and start applying the paste around it. I start with the base and go upwards. It doesn't have to be thick layer. However, if you want to slightly improve the shape, you can add more of it. And remember, more water you leave in the paper, then the longer will take to dry. After 2 days of drying, I can paint it. Actually, I really like the pattern and texture it is now. At first, I apply a coat of acrylic paint. With the brush, I tap it so the paint will cover all the tiny holes. I put some coffee grounds to the bowl and with small sponge I add it to the lamp. The best is to do it when the paint is still wet so the coffee will nicely blend with it. I'm really happy how this turned out. Paper mache is such a great product to work with. I found this idea on Pinterest and fall in love with it straight away. Go to thrift stores, pick up few pictures of photo frames. Different sizes and designs will be even better. Because mine have glass at the front, I have to remove it. All you need is the frame and its back. Sometimes you will be able to just paint on this back. One of mine was a bit shiny and other one had some kind of imperfections, so I cut new pieces out of thicker paper. I put it all back together and close. My set contains of 3 frames and I want them to be in 3 different colors, but I want them to match at the same time. With the big brush I paint the frame like also the front at the same time. If the frame is shiny or gloss, you can give it a quick sanding. This way the paint will stick better to it. I'm using acrylic paint, but if you want quicker option, you can always spray paint it. And for each frame I'm going to paint different style and colors of flowers. I think it's a great way of creating a unique collection for your feature wall and giving a second life to the frames which might not be in the best state. I hope you enjoyed these flips. Let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite or which one would you recreate. Don't forget about the like button if you enjoyed the video and subscribe if you haven't already. And for now, thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video.